Welcome to our channel where we provide you with valuable tips and insights to succeed in the digital world. In today's video, we will explore 10 proven ways to make money online. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for additional income streams, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. Freelancing refers to offering your skills and services to clients on a contract basis. With freelancing, you have the flexibility to choose your clients, projects, and working hours. You can offer services like graphic design, content writing, programming, digital marketing, and much more. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients worldwide, making it easier to find opportunities. If you have a specific skill set, freelancing can be a lucrative way to make money online. Affiliate marketing. The second method we'll discuss is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including popular online marketplaces like Amazon. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or social media to promote these products and generate income. By building a loyal audience and strategically selecting products to promote, affiliate marketing can be a great source of passive income. Creating digital products. Our next method is creating and selling digital products. If you have a particular skill or knowledge in an area, you can package it into an e-book, online course, or software and sell it online. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses easily. E-commerce platforms such as Etsy and Gumroad enable you to sell digital products directly to customers. Sharing your expertise and passion with others can not only generate income, but also establish you as an authority in your field. Starting an online store. Moving on, let's talk about starting an online store. If you have a product to sell, starting your own online store can be a rewarding venture. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce provide user-friendly interfaces to set up and manage your store without much technical knowledge. You can sell physical goods, handmade crafts, print-on-demand products, or even dropship items. By targeting the right audience and employing effective marketing strategies, your online store can become a profitable business. YouTube channel monetization. Lastly, we have YouTube channel monetization. If you enjoy creating video content, starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and lucrative endeavor. By consistently uploading quality videos and growing your subscriber base, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. Once approved, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with dedication, it can become a reliable source of income. That concludes our list of 10 proven ways to make money online. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, creating digital products, starting an online store, or pursuing YouTube channel monetization, it's important to remember that success in the online world takes patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Take the time to explore these methods, find what aligns with your skills and interests, and put in the effort required to make it work. We hope you found this video helpful on your journey to financial success in the digital age. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.